What's up guys, Con here with Product Guinea Pig, and if you do drop shipping, you probably had this question pop up in your mind at least once or twice. How do I know whether the products that I'm selling to my customers are of quality or not? Let's face it, drop shipping is one of the best ways to sell online without having to touch a single piece of inventory. But on the flip side, that also means we don't 100% know what is being delivered to our customers' doorsteps. And all it takes is one bad experience to lose a lifetime customer. So if your store is not focused on retaining customers, you're constantly going to have to chase new customers, spend more money on advertising, and be consistently pressured to find that next new hot product. So this is where we come in. Let us find, test, and review products to see if they're worth adding to your store or not. We find out things like how long it takes to arrive, what type of packaging does it come in, does it fall apart after 1 or 2 uses, and most importantly, does it do what it claims to do? So if that sounds helpful to you guys, let's team up. Now that we're practically besties, consider subscribing to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram and IGTV, and we'll see you guys on the next episodes.